Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update website on Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is my published website. The YouTube part looks like this, and this is what you can see. This you can see this check back soon. And on my Wix website editor, I have this. I don't have the check back soon. Instead, I have these people right here. Now, if I want to update my site, I can actually just click on this publish right here. Then once you have click on publish, you will be able to see that once your site has been published, just click on view site. Then once you have view your site, you can just enter in here. And once you have entered your site, you can just head over and see what it will look like. So click on YouTube. And as you can see, we have now updated the YouTube part, which is this mom life, into this one right here, to this one. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to update your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!